Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Rahma and I'm doing men's fashion and grooming videos twice a week. Well, I'm saying twice a week, but sorry, I've been a little bit off YouTube this past week. I've been busy and honestly there was no time for me to film. But today I am back with another Tested Thursday video, and by the title of this video I'm gonna do a hairstyle tutorial using a Hanz De Fuko product. Now I'm really excited about this video, especially filming with a product that I have been seeing all over the internet, and honestly Hanz De Fuko is a very interesting brand. Now I'm gonna come a little bit later on about this brand, but first of all I got a new haircut. It is short from the sides, now very short, it's like number 1, and the front is also very short and the top bit here at the back is even more shorter, so the front bit is a little bit longer than the back. Now I went quite short this time. I was very fed up with the long hair, not gonna lie. Maintaining the long hair is quite difficult, especially I do have a frizzy hair type, so having a long hair was kind of a little bit challenging and a little bit too much, so I said to myself, like, let me just go short this time. And yeah, here I am with the short hair, and to kickstart the new fresh haircut I wanna test out a new product, and as I said, this is the Hanz De Fuko product. The one that I got is the Claymation. Now the Claymation, oh my god, it's all over the internet. Now one of the YouTubers and bloggers, Jer, he swears by this product, and obviously whatever he says, I like to test it. Also many other YouTubers have raved about this product and have mentioned this as well, and it has amazing stars. Now you can order this from the official Hanz De Fuko website. It is an American brand if I'm not mistaken, and you do have to pay shipping costs. But in the UK I've bought it from mankind.com. Now I always like to buy products which I can't get my hold of from mankind.com and Beauty Bay or Look Fantastic, these kind of websites, as you all may know or are familiar with. And the price of this product is £16. Now it is not too pricey and also not affordable like your L'Oreal or like your VO5, but it is quite up there in the middle class price range. So yeah, £16. I'm pretty sure all of the other products are also like around the £16 as well. For £16 you will get 56 grams, which is like 2 ounces. It's quite a lot of product, and it does say that it is paraben free, and it has also a sign which means that you can use it only or up to 12 months, so just about a year. And the packaging is just plain and simple. This kind of frosted plasticky packaging with a grey silver lid, and at the back it has the directions and the ingredients. And the directions, as says, it's to use it on damp or dry hair, to piece, mold and separate. Use more product for increased hold. Now my hair is freshly washed and it is like air dried, so I must say it's kind of like this damp hair at the moment which I have. So I always like to damp my hair first and then I like to use my product. Okay, I zoomed you guys a little bit closer to have a better look, and let's start. Now doesn't have a very interesting smell. I mean, I'm not fussed about the smell, but I feel like it has no scent, which is alright with me. And the consistency is like this. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. It's like pasty and just white, and I'm really interested to see how the consistency is to touch. So let's take a little bit of some product. Ooh. It's quite hard. There you go. Oh. I must say it is quite hard. I'm really pressing to get some product. Okay, got a little bit of product, and let's see if this is enough or if I need more, and I'm just like rubbing it between my fingers to heat up the product, and I can smell the clay scent now. It's not very pleasant, but as I said, I'm not fussed. But there are some people who are very fussy about the scent of their hair products. So yeah, my hands are quite sticky, and I think let's go. And I'm gonna use my viewfinder as a mirror. Okay, first impressions. It gave me instant volume, which I like, and my hands are still sticky, but all of the product is distributed onto my hair. But I feel like I need a little bit more definition, so I like to take a little bit more of the product. Think this much, and again rub it between my fingers. Now this time I like to focus at the front to really make the kind of the fine hairs and the smaller hairs to the back, push it like so. Also I like to take my fingers to define this area, and also try to separate this side, and also making sure to press and go down to make the hair like very like sleek. And really interesting, normally if I use a hair product I would see so many hairs onto my fingers. Now with this case there is nothing on my hands, so there's no hair. Even though it's like clay formula, I'm really surprised because I haven't had any hairs onto my hair, which is a very good thing. Alright you guys, so this is the finished result, and I must say I am so impressed with this hair product. Now I have tested so many hair products like hair paste, pomades, gels in my channel. I'm gonna leave here in the I-bar a playlist of all of my different hair tutorials, which I've used different brands and different products, but I am so impressed with this. You guys have seen it in the camera, it gave me like an instant volume and also an instant look, and it looks very neat, very sleek and very like put together, and I really like it. Also it's not very heavy onto my hair, it does have a nice hold, and it looks very polished, I must say. Really impressed. And if you have like the same hair type or the same hair texture like mine, just go and check this out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description and also in the website, so check it out. You might find it in different retailers as well. I'm pretty sure in London you can also find it in Harrods and Selfridges and in Harvey Nichols. So if you're nearby those department stores, then go and pop by and grab yourself the Hanz De Fuko Claymation product. It is amazing. It does say it has super high hold and it is a matte finish. Now the good thing about the Hanz De Fuko is there are other products which have like different holds and also different finishes. If you like this kind of sleek finish, go for another one, but if you like this matte finish, check out the Claymation. You guys can see it. It is amazing, and if I say so myself, I really like my hair type at the moment. It looks really nice and I can't stop looking myself in the viewfinder. Since my hair is short, the only thing I like to do with it is just go up and push up the volume to make it kind of messy and so on. And also it doesn't have to be neat and tidy. This rough, textured, messy look is very in at the moment, and I really like it a lot. And yeah, with this I will end this video. I hope you all liked this video and enjoyed it. If you did, then please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'm uploading twice a week. Check out my blog, it's all linked down below, as well as my social media such as Instagram. It's all at Rahma Blogger. And yeah, If you have any other suggestions for me to test out different kind of hair products and different brands, leave a comment down below as well. I have nothing else to say except thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!